She's on. Oh yeah. So today we're going to be fitting our Maxxfan. We've opted for So today we're going to be fitting our Maxxfan. We're going to fit it in the front portion of the van. What I've done, I've marked out exactly where the frame is going to fit. So this sits on top. So the hole has got to be exactly that for the kind of the flange to drop down into. So I'm just going to drill in each corner, and then I'm going to mask out on the top from corner to corner and then cut around that area. I'm going to use just a drill. I'm then going to use a jigsaw to cut through the metal. We've also got this MASTIC sealant strip, which is what we're going to use to run in between the ridges on the roof of the van so that it all sits flush. And you also need to make a frame. So what I've done here is just make a simple frame out of 22mm wood and the same stuff that I use for the skylight at the back. And this, because the roof is so thin, it needs something more to bite into. So this is basically going to sit under here, and the screws will go through the sealant strips and then bite into this at the bottom underneath. Perfect. Gonna just mask off where my cutting line is gonna be. I've got my 4 holes. I've then masked out the area. I've taken this guide to double check. You need to make sure that these clips are on the side. And then I've just drawn round to ensure that I'm in the right place. And now I'm just going to use a jigsaw and head round that area. Snap the blade! These blades are... B&Q, sort your blades out, bro. Now that the area is all cut and the paint's all dry, I've just gone around and given it a bit of a clean with some, just to make the area nice and dry. And what I'm going to do is now take some MASTIC sealant strip, just going to run and build up some channels along here. So just along the outside, and I'll build that up along to plug this gap under here. What I'm going to do now is just drill drill some holes in to secure it to the frame. Okay, so you want to ensure that it's open before you fit it in. So just turn that, and then make sure that all the wires are dangling down, like so. Very important. It's this way around. She's on. And then final thing is to just pop in the screws. Oh yeah, she has arrived.